Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers. Today I have brought with you something special and very delicious green sorrel leaves recipe along with chicken. This is going to be very delicious and is one of my favorite recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. First of all, here I have chopped the green sorrel leaves this way, and we need to wash it in lot of water this way. The reason behind this is the mud particles will remain at the bottom and the sorrel leaves will remain on the top. Now take them out into a strainer and put it aside. Now heat a pot or a kadhai on the stove and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. As the oil gets heated, add in 1 cup of sliced onions into it. By constantly stirring, cook them until they turn light translucent in color. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry for about a minute. This recipe is going to be very delicious, guys. Do try it and let me know your experiences in the comment section. After cooking it for about 1 to 2 minutes, add 4 to 5 chopped green chilies and now add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Now it's time to add chicken into our curry. So here I have 500 grams of chicken, which I'm going to wash it thoroughly and add washed chicken pieces into our pot. Give all a good mix and cook on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes, cover it and cook on low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 to 3 minutes, take the lid out and give it a mix. Now it's time to add whole spices into it. Add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and give them all a good mix. Now add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes into our pot and give everything a good mix. And now add in 1 cup of water into it. After adding in water, you need to give it a final mix and cover it and cook on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is done well. So here you can see for after about 8 to 10 minutes the chicken is done well and you can see the water has also dried. Now add freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it all a good mix. And now it's time to add our green sorrel leaves into the gravy. So here I'm going to add all the green sorrel leaves that I have just chopped and give them all a good mix. Do try this recipe the way I'm telling and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. Now cover it and cook on low flame for another 5 to 6 minutes. So here you can see after about 5 to 6 minutes almost our curry is done well. Top it with some garam masala powder, give it a good mix and cover it and off the stove and let's serve. This recipe is going to be very delicious. Do give this unique recipe a try and let me know how did you cook green sorrel leaves before. Do you like it or not in the comment section? For more such amazing recipes, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. Allah Hafiz.